Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy new update on X, previously known as Twitter, that will help you stay connected with your friends and followers. If you want to get notified every time someone tags you, follow these simple steps on your PC. First, open your X account. Once you're in, look for the left-hand menu. You'll see various options. Go ahead and click on More. Next, from the drop-down, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can tweak your account settings to your liking. Now, let's head over to Notifications. This section is all about how you receive updates on your account activities. Click on it to access more options. You'll see a button labeled Preferences. Under this, select Push Notifications. This is crucial for ensuring you don't miss important mentions. Now, here comes the key part. Under Mentions and Replies, look for the option that says From Anyone. Make sure to check that box so you can receive tags from all users, not just those you follow. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to apply your new settings. And there you have it. You're all set to get notified whenever someone tags you on X. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates.